Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. In today's video, we are going to build a really cool user interface effect in SwiftUI, something I call a liquid glass UI. It looks modern, it feels fantastic, and most importantly, it's really simple to implement using just a few SwiftUI components. By the end of this video, you'll have a card that looks like a glass with animations that expand and collapse when you tap it. Let's get started. So I have already have a new SwiftUI project here in my content view. Instead of writing everything directly, I am calling another view called liquid glass demo. This helps keeps the structure clean and organized. So here if you see, this is my content view. I am calling the liquid glass demo class here. Inside liquid glass demo, the first thing I am doing is setting up the background. I have used a linear gradient with purple and blue colors, both slightly transparent. This gradient fills the entire screen and immediately gives a soft, dreamy look to the background. And notice here that I have used ignores safe area to make sure the gradient extends edge. Now comes the main element, which is our glass card. I have used a rounded rectangle with a corner radius that changes depending on whether the card is toggled or not. The key part is the fill. Instead of a color, I am filling it with ultra thin material. That's what gives the glass blurred background effect. And I have also added a shadow for depth and stroke border with low opacity white, which makes it stands out against the gradient background. Of course, a UI is like this isn't fun unless it reacts to the user. So I have added a tap gesture to the card. When you tap, it toggles a boolean state variable called toggle. Based on that state, the card expands or collapses. So here I have added like the animation spring and response with toggle. The main animation here is a spring animation that gives it a smooth bouncy effect which feels much more natural than a linear animation. You will notice that when expanded, the card becomes wider and taller with more rounded corners. When collapsed, it shrinks back nicely. So inside this glass card, I have added a simple V stack with a little and progress bar. The title just says brightness and the progress bar changes depending on whether the card is toggled or not. So when expanded, the bar fills up more, and when collapsed, it goes back down. So here is what it happens with the text. If you click on this brightness, so on having the progress view here. This is where you can get creative instead of a progress bar. You could replace and place buttons, sliders, or even icons. The idea is that the glass card becomes a container for whatever interactive content you want. And finally, to make it more user friendly, I have also added a small instruction text below the card. It changes based on the state, saying either tap to expand or tap to collapse. It's a small touch, but it makes the interaction clear to the user. So, and if you see here, this is why I have added the toggle with the text component, and that's it. We have built a liquid glass UI in SwiftUI with just a few lines of code. We have combined gradients, the new material effect, and animations to create something that look like modern and interactive. You can easily extend this idea into dashboards, control panels, or any UI where you want a fantastic look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Code with Rajeshwari for more SwiftUI tips, and share this with your friends who are learning iOS development. See you in the next UI video.